This is a new product from our vendor BCI. Now BCI has had a lot of different products under the name Bottle Cap and Salvaged. All of the really unique things like berry baskets is just one of the really cool things that we get from BCI. But now they've got pipe. And the pipe is used for those DIY projects that make your home decor really unique. So you can see some of them are made here, and here is just a few of the parts. So they come in some different sizes, the 3/4 inch and the 1 inch, and I find this all to be a brand new idea for me. This is certainly nothing I've ever considered doing before, but I've checked out some really amazing pictures on Pinterest where they're making lamps and they're making shelving units, hooks and hangers, tables, so many different things that they're doing with these projects. And now they're all available from BCI. So I'm just going to pick one of these up, and you can see how the threads are perfectly cut, I guess. Is that the word you would use for that? So that they go together beautifully. So you can anchor them into your wall. There's even anchors available so you can do that. So just like that, I've created a hook. So this could be, actually, as we were looking at this one here, we've decided we think that that is a toilet paper roll. So a totally unique look. And then the one over there, this would be a hook in your house for holding your coats and stuff. So check out the BCI's galvanized piping on the Notions Marketing website and show us some pictures of some of the really cool things that you create.